Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to combine the props in iClone 7. So first I will just drag a few props into the iClone 7. For example, I will just attach a few blocks. Let's say I put a box here and I put another shape here. There's a ball 04. Alright now. So now you can see under the scene the box is a prop and the ball is another prop. So I moved either of one. They are just separate each other. How about if I want to combine two props together? First, I can choose to attach it. Let's say if I choose this ball, I click here and I choose attach. Attach to, I pick a parent and I can click here. Now you can see the ball 004 is under the box 01. So now if I move the box 01, actually they are together. This is how can we attach the prop. So of course, I can select this ball, then it can be separated to adjust the locations or rotation, anything. But when I click the box 01, then actually they are attached together. Of course, I can make this attach it like this. So for every time, if I click the box 01, they move together. If I rotate it, it rotates together. Alright. So now, actually, the ball 004 is another prop that attached to box 001 as a sub prop. Of course, if you click here, you select the box 001 and you click here, you can go and find attached to something here, merge sub prop. Actually, after you click it, it will just merge together, it become one prop. And once you click merge sub prop, it is irreversible. You cannot separate them already. Of course, now you can click undo, but once you click another operations, it will forever merge together. That's all. So now this become one prop, and of course you can save it by clicking the contents, click the custom, click the prop, and now you can click plus and save it as a new prop, the prop 37. So you can use it repeatedly for next time. And that's all for today about how to merge the props or attach the props to another prop in iClone 7. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all to activate the notifications so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you will receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.